Avanti's work started at IIT Bombay. I was a student there, and I'd spent the 5 years there at IIT being told that this was an institute of national importance, that we were all to engage in the activity of nation building, and that just seemed like a false promise if the majority of the Indian population was not represented in a free or close to free or heavily government funded public institution like IIT. Majority of our best talent is in rural India, who can in 10 years, 15 years be part of India's leadership. They can be IAS officers, they can be leaders of companies, they can lead academia, they can even be politicians. And all of this talent every single year gets wasted. And if you meet these children, you start to realize, that they simultaneously embody, I think extreme drive. Right? And there's something quite magical about seeing that level of ambition.
मेरा नाम सोनम है, मैं कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा हूँ। मैं बड़ी होकर एक साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि जो एक टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हमारे देश को आगे बढ़ा सकती है।
मेरा नाम सचिन है, मैं राजकीय वरिष्ठ माध्यमिक विद्यालय में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं 10वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं इंजीनियर बनना चाहता हूँ। पढ़ाई की वजह से मेरे पापा इंजीनियर नहीं बन सके, इसलिए मैंने भी यह ठाना है कि मैं मेरे पापा का सपना पूरा करूँ और मैं भी इंजीनियर बनूँ।
मेरा नाम पलक है, मैं कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा हूँ। मैं बड़े होकर साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ। साइंटिस्ट इसीलिए बनना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि हमारे सर ने एक वीडियो दिखाया था चंद्रयान 2 पे। वहाँ पे कुछ लेडी भी थी, वो उसके ऊपर काम वगैरह कर रही थी, तो मेरे को हौसला मिला उनसे और मैं साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ।
If you look at the Indian public school system, there's about 5 million children who graduate in science every year. Out of those children, barely 100,000, barely 1 lakh, right, out of 50 lakh children, will actually go into what you would call a category 1 top tier STEM institution, like a good engineering college which has high placement, or an architecture school, or an agriculture school. And the gap between them and a child who goes to a private school is almost 1:10. And it is this inequity that Avanti strives to break. So we started then transforming ourselves into a teaching learning organization. Our first batch graduated in 2013, which was from the Navodaya Vidyalaya in Pondicherry. And I think in that very first batch, we were able to get 15, 16 children into IIT. So over the last decade, we've sent over 5,000 kids to top tier elite, engineering colleges, medical colleges. We've sent close to 1,000 children to the IITs, triple ITs, and what we call like the category 1 top tier colleges over this time. And we've probably worked with 2 or 3 million children. This year, I think we'll have over 2 lakh children, who engage with the program in some manner. These numbers tell one story, but I think it's really the story of the kids, right? Which is, I think from our earliest batches, Pooja Jha, who went to medical college at Maulana Azad, topped the college, prepared for the IAS, topped the IAS, got a top 100 All India rank, is now an IFS officer. We have Ayush, who was at a center in Kanpur. His parents are mechanics. Went to MIT on a full ride to the US. Now has a Y Combinator backed startup. There was a big international competition hosted by Rick Schmidt's family called RISE. It has only about 200 children globally who get selected. 2 of the finalists were Avanti students from a rural Navodaya school. These leaps, I think, of these children, I think one is really inspiring for us, but also I think is testament to the fact that this is possible. It's a demonstration of the fact that the government and civil society can work together to create the highest quality program for college access. So we currently work with the Navodaya system in 7 Indian states. The goal is to add maybe a few states every year. So then over the next 10 years, we can get to all states in the country. Our goal, over the next decade is to ensure that at least 100,000 children every year are getting, preparation. And which would mean that at least 25,000-30,000 every year would start going into these top tier colleges. And at that point in time, it's cohesively like the largest program to identify and train gifted youth in India.